Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Constec Academy. This lesson is brought to you by Master Moses Saturday. So as I've said the other day that you should complete it, there's one thing we need to add is to go to the optional subjects that we are doing. And for our tutorial, we are working on 3 optional subjects, and that is the French, creative art, and then Ghanaian language. So we will go to the base 7 view report, and then we'll work on it. So creative art, we'll work on creative art. Now we'll use the if statement. Okay, we'll use the if statement. We'll use the if statement. So here, if you go to the setting sheet which contains creative art, so if setting sheet is equal to yes, then you bring the comma, and this whole thing will be here. If the setting sheet is yes, then produce this result. But if it's no, bring dash. So you're going to do it for all of you will do it for the exam score, the total score, the grade, the position, the remarks. The same thing you have to do for the Ghanaian language. Okay, you do it for Ghanaian language. So Ghanaian language is located on the setting sheet. Let me see. So here, so Ghanaian language is 14, L14. So Ghanaian language is L14. So here I'll just change here to L14. 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 I'll do it for all the Ghanaian language. Now, let's go to the setting sheet and locate that of the French. The French is on what? That's L10. That's correct. And then creative art is what? L12. So French is on L10 is correct. Creative art is L12. So you change it. So I'm going to do it for all of this thing. Creative arts options. I'll pause the video over here so that I'll complete. So if you are done, you'll get something like this. Okay, very important. So I use the if the setting sheet is equal to this. If it's yes, produce this. If it's no, bring what? Dash. And I'm working out on the base 7 view report. Now, you can add your logo over here, the school logo over here. Let's do something. Let's go to the Diploma tab and go to Visual Basics. Okay, let's come back. Let's be here and let's go to So we're going to use the image over here. Click on it and you draw your image. So that's it. You put it here like this. Okay. So you put this image over here. It will be like this. Now let's work on, you put your school logo over here. Now after you are done with that, I've asked, let's complete these ones. So you go to attendance. So I'll just copy the whole of this and paste it. I'll paste it here, paste it here, I'll paste it here, paste it here. Now we'll do some changes. Now you go to the attendance on the exam sheet and look at the surname that contains the attendance. So attendance. Sometimes you get this is correct. The reason we are getting this is because we have set the creative art to no, and so you will get this option. Okay, you get this option, so don't be panicking if you had this option. Now, so let's go to the attendance column. The attendance is located on G and the total attendance is on H. So we just change it to suit it. So here we have what? The attendance, and you have what? The total attendance. So the attendance is on G and the total attendance is on H. So you just go and make that changes. So here will be changed to G. Here will be changed to G. Here will be changed to H. You can format it as the way you like. So let's put it at the center. You can bold it. Bold the whole of this. Now let's go to the conduct and go to the 7 exam score to check the surname containing the what? So the conduct is located on CY. So you go to the view and change it to CY. So conduct is CY. Now let's go to the attitude. The attitude is also located. Attitude is CV. This was CV. I don't do it for attitude. Let me check again. Attitude. Okay. C is attitude CV. CZ rather. That's good. And this one will be located on CY if I'm not lying. Let me check. The interest is on CX. Okay, CX. CX. Now the teacher's name. Teacher's name will be at this column. So this is the teacher's name. Teacher's name was on DH. Teacher's name DH. Okay, that's the class teacher's name. Let me go and check it again. Teacher's name DH, and then the headmaster is GI. Because we didn't put anything right there, so it will sound like that. Sorry, this is the headmaster remarks. Okay, let me go and check on the where is the headmaster remark. This is a date. Okay, it's also a date. If you get that error, you can do it. So this is the headmaster, the class teacher's remark. It's on DA. DA. So I'll change it to DA. You have to be careful over here and ensure that you enter the needed details. Okay, needed details, very important. So that's correct. So the headmaster's name, you go to the exam score and locate where the headmaster name is located. But before that, let me do the headmaster's remark. That's a DB. DB. Headmaster remark DB. You can reduce this. At the end of the day, this is not what we're going to print. Okay, we're not printing this one. That's what we are calling the 7 view report. Now, you crop the headmaster's signature and you paste it here. Okay, you paste it here. Let's work on the class head teacher's name. Head teacher's name. The head teacher's name, if you look at the head teacher's name, is located on DI. So we go and do the changes. di you get this error miss 0 because I didn't enter anything of that sort over here. So I'll format this to be red. Now let's work on the dates. So what we want to achieve by this is that we want it to show the current dates of the time that the report is being viewed. Okay, so how do we achieve that? So we achieve this by coming here. The Excel has an inbuilt function that enables us to grab the date. So you bring your equal to sign and write today. So today returns the current date format as date. So today, and then you bring the close parentheses and you just press the enter key. Now let's format it. So you merge it. So when you merge it, it will give you the current date and time. The current dates and time. Very important. So tomorrow if I change it and I come here, it will change it. The date will come to what? So currently as I speak to you, the video is recorded around this time frame. So now what we need to do is to add some details to our report. Okay, we will have to add some details. So we'll copy, we have to add the home page so that it can enable us to easily navigate. So we'll add the home page and then the exam sheet to the report. So let's go to the setting sheet. So right click and hold the control key, select this one, shift, so go to the setting sheet. So you use the control key to copy all of this. So control C to copy. Then go to the base 7 view report and control V to paste. And put it somewhere here. Okay. So that when you're on this sheet, you can easily navigate to the whole page. You can easily navigate to the exam score, then to the view report. You can easily navigate. Yeah, I have to do some changes. So this is supposed to send us to the view report, not the report itself. So I have to make some changes. So let me go to the. So here is right click and you edit link. This should send it to the view report further. Okay. So when I click here, it will rather send me to the view report whereby I can have access to these things. Okay. In our next video, we'll be working on the base 7 report generator. Okay, we'll be working on base 7 generator. We are going to write some modulo to perform some selections for us. So stay tuned. See you in the next lesson. Bye.